Hello listeners, hello video viewers, welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 21 is clothes. Belt, blouse, boots, cap, coat, dress, hat, hoodie, jacket, jeans, mittens, overalls or dungarees, pajamas, panties or knickers, pants or trousers, a raincoat, scarf, shirt, shoes, shorts, skirt, socks, suit, sweater or jumper, swimming trunks, swimsuit, sweatpants, tie, t-shirt, underwear. Thank you for watching, bye for now and see you next lesson.